My name is Caterina Hernandez. I am 34 years. I live in Miraflores, Guaviare, study business administration in the ICIT, the National Open and Distance University. Good morning. Today, Sid mid-morning you will give a fixed precision and advice for the features. Good morning to all to all. Today I dare you to know my precision of one day features of the world will be. We can start. Of course, if for about 4 months she have been dreaming the features of why will be our planet. It is evident that the butterfly effect is the magazine they were. But I want to let you know how we could change the course of the world and our next year. I will start some predictions. Here our situation continues in the world. Dolphins are seen in the canals of Venice. Most people from their social networks are letting off now that if you don't know change or behavior with the environment, that would be the minimums that we would accept on our planet. If Catherine, I agree. But do not building this part of why I building will be or features we will have forest fire precisely in Australia. These you events or those that will define 2020. If you don't change the way you add things will be worse. I recommend you be proactive to perform physical. It's for activities because later you will save many problems. My advice is to perform activities that you can develop from home that help you basic. Morning physics I would like to have hearts. You a question for many personal. Had made I consider that a good hobby would be to have dogs as pet you want. Thanks of mine, my opinion. Catherine respect concept, but I personally think it would be a hobby with a love on word. Sign you up to go out with them every day in addition to the work. In some people alone of to have them, must not knows when travel in them alone. What you mean is it no a hobbit? Of course not. I advise you to exercise taking vitamins of that you get and feed body should urgently consider that your lungs are stone should perform aerobics. Could you please explain more of the um, subject that will happen with you? You know some of my prediction and tips some scar, but I tell you that it is up to you to do or nor they do the right things if you want to continue it. White it or made change from watch Netflix to doing sport inside your home. I understand money finally. Want to have for advice. Will earth possible help that should be my possible future. At times, you, although you are watching, they listening to me that they should be in their own not outside. Then everything will be fine if you take care that than in your own why they people you love more. Thank you so much for letting of know what your future will be if we don't start change our habit with pleasure. Needs we will be told about will have told you study. I have bet of your days. Thank you.